Hello, Mom, Dad, Me world. So let's talk about the MacBook Air. The MacBook Air has been officially discontinued from Apple. You cannot buy it brand new. I believe you can buy it through the refurbished store or you can buy it through third-party resellers like a Best Buy or a Walmart. Look at this thing right here. It was first introduced by Steve Jobs from a manila envelope, not this particular model, but this iconic wedge design right here. If you take a peek at this wedge design, it is just beautiful. It is thin. It is really, really cool. In my opinion, this wedge design is really neat, really, really comfortable to type on. You can see the Apple logo right here. You've got very minimalistic ports in these two USB-C/Thunderbolt ports. And then you've got this right here. You've got the headphone jack, which from what I understand is kind of going away and getting obsolete on the PC side, but still here on the Mac. And then if you open it up, take a look over here. You've got this very, very minimalistic design. You've got this old school. I say old school, there is no notch here, no notch on the screen at all, but you've got this beautiful 13-inch Retina display. You've got somewhat large bezels, borders, but that's okay, 720p camera. And if you take a look at the keyboard right here, there's actually no touch bar here. No touch bar, you've got the function keys. You don't have the butterfly switches, but you've got the tried and true keyboard here and this awesome trackpad. It's just overall a great design right here in the MacBook Air. But we do say goodbye to this iconic design right here. I do like this MacBook Air, and if you actually want this MacBook Air, from what I've seen around there, you can actually pick it up at Walmart for $699. That is pretty darn good. I know this was one of our very, very first MacBooks that we ever tried when Apple transitioned from Intel to Apple Silicon right here. So this was the MacBook Air. This is just the base model, 8-core CPU, 7-core GPU, 8 gigs of memory, 256 gigs of solid state storage, and it was fantastic, still is fantastic, and it's actually a computer right now owned and used by our son, and he absolutely loves this computer. He went from the 12-inch MacBook to this computer right here. First thing he said was, wow, battery life is phenomenal. And he also said it felt much faster than his other MacBook, that Intel 12-inch. I forgot to say one more thing about this MacBook and this design right here, and it is the ports right here. Even though the ports are very, very, might I say, sparse in selection, it is that very minimalistic design, which I actually do like. If this model right here had a SD card reader, I think it would be the perfect take-along portable computer. But I also do love now that the M2 and now the M3 MacBook Air have added that MagSafe 3 port. That MagSafe 3 port is phenomenal because it does allow you to take those two additional USB-C ports and use them for whatever accessories you plug into, and you can keep the MagSafe for your power. And just like all the Apple Silicon Macs, battery life has been phenomenal on this. All we can say right now is goodbye iconic wedge design, and then with the M2 and now M3 MacBook Air, you have got that squared off design, super duper thin. It's actually thinner than this one because of the way they do this tapered edge right here. It makes it seem thinner than it is. It's all thin, it's all light, they're all powerful. So short of the used market, I'm on here at Walmart, and the very first thing you see is this MacBook Air right here for $699. Again, short of the used market, this is an incredibly good deal for this computer, brand new. And base configuration or not, if you are coming from a 12-inch MacBook Air or a 13-inch Intel-based MacBook Air, you will not be disappointed in this particular deal right here. I just saw this on Apple News. Also, Best Buy comes in at $50 less at $649.99 for a brand new MacBook Air. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Please give it a like and a subscribe. It really helps out our channel. And until next time, bye for now. Thanks for watching.